I constantly try new leafing pens. This one seems to work pretty well. It says it's permanent, but I cannot know what the permanence is. But it stays on paper and it's easy to apply. As you can see, the tip is not tiny. So I use the corner. It does look like gold depending on lighting conditions and the rotation of art. I've also tried using One for All Molotov acrylic gold pen to see how golden it is. And to be honest, I don't like this one very much in comparison to the color ones. This one leaves a brownish, more subtle gold color. So depending on, on the rotation of your drawing, you'll see the difference. So it's not quite gold. It's not as golden as other pens that I've used. But the point is nice. It's easy to apply it. So it gives me teeny tiny specks of color. I use them in a combination, and it depends how waxy the surface gets, because sometimes acrylic doesn't work on a surface that's too waxy. But this one gives them much stronger golden color, and Molotov One for All gives a pretty good duller brownish gold color. So it depends on what kind of effect you wanna get as you draw.